Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use power-ups on Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. Now, in order to use power-ups, you need to be inside the game. So head over to any events right now. Once you start the game, you can see the power-up button at the top right corner. It has the power-up meter. In order to use the power-up, the meter needs to be filled up. It will fill up when you guess the correct numbers. So tap on the correct numbers and the power-up meter would fill up. So you can use this power-up meter whenever you need it, or you can even use it strategically. In order to use this power-up, you just need to tap on this power-up meter. And there you go. The star has been added to my game. So you can use it as per your strategy and however you want it. So that's it. That's how you can use power-ups on Bingo Blitz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.